Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Dart hood. First, you'll need to locate the interior hood release lever. This is usually found on the driver's side, positioned beneath the instrument panel or near the kick panel. Give this lever a firm pull outwards. You should hear a distinct pop sound, indicating that the primary latch has disengaged and the hood has slightly lifted, creating a small gap. Once the interior lever is pulled, head to the front of your vehicle. The hood will be slightly ajar but not fully open. Now, you need to find the secondary safety latch. This is typically located underneath the front edge of the hood, often near the center. It might be a small lever or a tab that you push to one side or pull upwards. Feel around gently until you locate it. After releasing the secondary latch, you can now lift the hood all the way up. Most Dodge Dart models have a prop rod to keep the hood open safely. Look for this rod, usually clipped into place near one of the hood's hinges. Carefully unclip it and insert its end into the designated hole or slot on the underside of the hood. Make sure it's stable and secure before you begin any work. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support slot and secure it back in its original clip. Gently lower the hood until it is about 1 foot to 1.5 feet from fully closing. Then, release it, allowing its own weight to pull it down. For a secure closure, you might need to press down firmly on the front edge of the hood to ensure both latches engage properly. Always double-check it's fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.